Jenny, baby, don't take my mask, okay? And also, don't take my charger. Jenny, baby, don't eat anything. Yeah, this is Filipino fucking God. I make you hungry. I have to bite him.
Don't bite me.
किती छोटासा जेनी का बच्चा.
No, don't bite me. You always want to bite me. I'm afraid to touch you again. You clean already? Very fast?
I just put water, Father.
Where you put? Swimming. Adru, come down, baby.
Upside shower.
Ah.
Yeah, I was waiting for Bangladesh. He will come clean the jelly room. See?
Adru, look, Jenny.
How many Jenny is sitting with you?
Look, bro. I will upload this. I will upload this on my channel. Don't disturb me. Let's go. Adru, come here, baby. Maybe she will bite me.
Want to sit?
But she always bites me. This video only 5 minutes. Then suddenly off.
If my Jenny is not afraid of come, I'm just kissing.
What?
No, Adru. No.
Are you sure? Are you sure? No. Are you not hungry? Are you sure? Okay, what you want? What you want? What you looking at me? Don't bite me. I don't want to touch you again. You always bite me. Ah.
You have to show me.
Shoot it. Oh. She's biting me. She's biting me. Maybe she bited my face. Oh no. Jenny, don't be naughty. Jenny, don't be naughty. Don't bite me again. Ang dami ko kasing nanal dito. I have black marks here. Here, this one, this is two, here. This Parrot thinking it's food. She bite this. Adru, just behave.
Jenny just afraid where I am.
Slowly. You don't want to talk, Jenny? Adru baby, just 1 minute. Just will complete 5 minutes, everyone. Jenny, si babay na Jenny. Why not talking? Why is his coming small now, bro? He's not coming big.
Jenny afraid from you.
Why? But why? Okay, why he's not run away?
Yeah, she's thinking, what the hell is God doing with me?
She's afraid from me. Okay, why she did not bite me? And why she's not run away from me? Look. Hello. It's coming. It's going to finish now. This is only 5 minutes. Adru, come here. Look, Adru. Yeah. Let's play. Adru, baby, come here. Let's play to Jenny. Let's play with Jenny. Hi, Jenny. Adru is here. Jenny. I cannot kiss Jenny. She will bite me again. She's thinking this is food. My leg. No, Bro, she bite.
Okay. Jenny. Don't shout. You're tired. Sit down. Jenny.
don't disturb here. Where you will go? Ah, bro, where you will go?
Shower.
Lifeguard. Adru also coming. How he? Adru.
Ah, this one, sir, outside swimming coming now.
Hmm?
Sir, swimming coming now. The friend is sir coming. Man is swimming outside. Should go. He's coming. Coming out, I'm coming.
It's okay with the baby. I don't care. He's not afraid. Bro, the guy, the old man,
Yeah, that's one.
what's his problem?
No problem. You will change, come to shower here.
I don't care. Finish now, he's not showering, he's playing.
Not playing, washing mouth.
Adru, don't cry now, let's go now, we need to go. Hey, we need to go now. Hey. Don't touch anything, Adru. Or you want to watch? Okay, come. Wait, what's Jenny? Oh. Oh my God. Only like that? Bro, make a shower.
No.
There wings. Oh? Uh-oh. No shampoo also. How big Jenny can kiss him? Let's go now. Go, quick, Adru. It's not good, baby. Always following. You're not watching.
See?
Ah! Me.
Very good.
Why he bite his he's hungry? Adru, careful. He's coming back again. Where is he? Good, baby. I don't touch, baby. She will not run away. Just stay. Adru. Come here. See, talk to here. Talk to her. Hi, Jenny. Jenny, why are you crying? Are you crying or you shouting? You don't want noisy, Jenny? Yeah, you don't want noisy, Adru. Don't shout. Oh, shout again. Adru, just stay here. Adru, don't touch, baby. Don't touch anything. Don't. Hi, Jenny. You know your stranger is there, Jenny. Jenny, did you eat your breakfast? Ah, what? Jenny there. Oh, don't come up. Just go. Just come down.
Don't come on, don't step up.
It's very shortly words I always using. Adru, I said don't.
Adru, when
No. Maybe she will bite.
Yeah, of course. Adru, when she will one kiss you, literally, and you will crying 1 hour.
Oh, really? Why she's not afraid now? You know, in salon, bro, all the ladies there, why is not crying? Old baby. You know, when while they cutting the hair, she's only like this. Come here. Ah! Here, Adru, here. Oy. She's not afraid now.
You can one bite and next time not coming.
Oh, no, don't come up, baby.
One bite.
Don't bite your hand. Put your hand down. Adru. Adru, just play your catty baby, oh.